Okay, so you wish to add some media, and in this instance an image to your WordPress. You may want to put an image in one of your posts or on one of your pages. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. Your dashboard may look similar to this. I'm with Ionos, and if you're hosting your own on your own server or you're with a different provider, your dashboard will look similar to this but not exact. So on the left hand side you have all the options available, and the one you want is media. You can go across here and add media file, or you can go across here and go to library. Let's go into library, and this will show you all the images you've previously uploaded or used on the website, and you can add extra media either by going to the left here and clicking on add media file, or you can go up to the top and add media file. This will give you a box in the center of the screen where you'll be able to drag and drop from your desktop or folders in Explorer to this area, and that'll upload, or you can hit the select and that'll bring up your Explorer open option. You can choose a picture you want, and then down here you'll see it's uploading and it's there. So there's the image I've uploaded. So that's adding an image to your library, but what if you want to add it into your page or post? So we'll go up to the posts on the left here. I'll add a new post. Okay, and we need to add an image block first. So I'll go over to this plus sign here, add a block, and go to image. You can also do this via the plus at the top there. You can scroll down to image and you can add an image that way. So if you want to upload an image to your document, once you've added the image block, sometimes there's a cross there, you click into it and you can then click upload, which does the same thing as what you've seen previously. You can select your photo, add it in there, and what it's doing is not only uploading to your document that you're working on, but it's also adding it to your library. So when you go back to your media library, you'll see a copy of this image in there, and you can also add it again in future. So say you're working on another document, you fancy using the same picture again, instead of upload and taking up more space on your web server, you can go to select image, go to your media library, and then there's the second image that we uploaded. That was the first, and here are the others. But if you select that image, you can then add it back in, and this image will, when edited in the media library, will keep some of the attributes that you may wish to have consistently across your website, such as SEO information, search terms, the picture name, things like that. Whereas the first one and the one before that, it's the same photo, but it doesn't have the same attributes. Okay. If this video was useful, please give me a like and subscribe for more. Thanks.